Following the Christmas break, I thought it was time to get back to work on the heated cabinet. So I finished off putting the insulation into the door enclosure, and then marked out and cut some piano hinge. Cutting the hinge with the little junior hacksaw was quite a lengthy process and left a lot of burrs. I think probably the blade needs replacing. I decided to put 1-inch screws in every hole through the carcass. There's going to be quite a bit of weight in this door. I haven't made them yet, but there'll be some shelves in here for glue and other small items. I hadn't used these drills and screwdrivers for a while, and they'd been sitting, or the batteries had been sitting in the garage for the last week not being used. They had been charged inside. They do seem to have held their charge once charged, so I think the problem with temperature is just the charging itself. And looking at the specifications for the chargers, I need to try and get the temperature above 4 degrees centigrade. I'm also adding some weather stripping here just to act as a bit of a seal when the door closes. And I cut and fit a piece of 1-inch insulation foam just to try and minimize the heat loss through the cable exit. You don't see it here. I also put some foam on the back of the cabinet as well. And there is the Twine, which is a little Wi-Fi temperature monitoring device. So I don't have any clasps at the moment to hold the door tight shut. At this stage I'm just putting some clamps on just to do a test for about 24 hours. So starting off, the temperature was about -8. That was because I was working with the garage door open. I then started recording the temperature inside the cabinet for about 20 hours. It did eventually climb up above 0, and then it stayed at between 3 and 4 degrees. So I'd like it to be warmer, but that'll do for now.